kendo Migao mar thieth kod sirikal counties osingo ni gibiro medo tiyo kanyakla maneno ni chenro mag thieth ochopo ne jo Kenya duto manie kor gwenge. Giwacho sirikal mamalo biro medo siro sirikal counties mondo chenro mar universal health coverage ochop e lekne. Kolo seromo mane oyuore gi jotelo sekta mar thieth, jagoro mogirore Migao mar thieth Mary Mudhoni owacho ni okumba mar thieth mar SHA sani koro tiyo maber kendo onge ng'ur mawuok kuom oganda. Bende okwayo ute thieth mapok ondikore gi okumba mar thieth mar SHA ni ondikre mondo gichak chiwo thieth ne jopiny e bwo chenro manyien mar thiethno.
We are just implementing one of the acts that is the Social Health Insurance Financing Act of 2023, where we have Taifa Care. And this is in collaboration with the county government. As for registration, Kenyans are continuing to register in large numbers because they have seen indeed this is working. It is not a mirage, it is a reality of the matter. To the facilities and the owners of the facilities, my plea to you is get your facility contracted. Do not tell Kenyans that SHA is not working because your facility is not contracted.
As a state department, we are working very closely with our county governments, matters intergovernmental relations, because there is no two governments. Government is one. And if our counties are delivering, the national government is delivering, and the whole government is delivering. And this time it's not even a whole of government approach, it's a whole of society approach. So all of us, we are in this journey together to make sure our universal health coverage is working.